Hey guys, good morning. Joe from 146. New arrival, sexy. 2016 F-150 Lariat Sport. I had to buy this truck, FX4. Got the double roof. Believe it or not, this truck has 133,000 miles on it, but I wasn't gonna pass on it. It's just too nice. It's just getting broken in my world. 16. Somebody put some aftermarket wheels and tires on it. I just sent it to the cleanup shop. It got back yesterday. Cool. Nav leather roof, Lariat Sport. Joe from 146 Auto Sales. This truck, I believe, is $34,985. Check it out on Facebook, Instagram. Check out my website, ROUTE, Route 146 Auto Sales. Just got in. Thanks, guys.